An unlocked iPhone is not associated with any particular cellular service provider and can therefore connect to any carrier. Unlocked iPhones, when sold used, are worth more. Before buying a used iPhone, you want to check one of 3 different ways to know if your iPhone is unlocked or not. We'll cover what does unlocked iPhone mean, how to tell if your iPhone is unlocked via settings, how to check if your iPhone is unlocked with the SIM card, and how to know if your iPhone is unlocked with an online tool. First, what does unlocked iPhone mean? An iPhone that's unlocked can connect to any carrier. If your iPhone is unlocked, you could switch from Sprint to Verizon tomorrow, or go to another country and swap out SIM cards, and your same phone will work just fine. iPhones that have been completely paid for and bought directly from Apple are likely to be unlocked. But if you bought your iPhone through a carrier on a contract, the phone will be locked until the contract is over and paid in full. 2. How to tell if your iPhone is unlocked via settings. 1. Open the Settings app on the iPhone. 2. Select General. 3. Tap About. 4. Scroll to the bottom and look for Carrier Lock. If it says No SIM Restrictions, then your iPhone is unlocked and you're free to use any carrier or cell service. If it says anything else, then it is probably locked. However, this isn't quite the end of the story, since some users report that this information isn't displayed in their About page in Settings. 2. How to check if your iPhone is unlocked with the SIM card. 1. Power off your iPhone. 2. Use a straightened paperclip to open the SIM card tray, then remove the current SIM card. 3. Place the SIM card of a different carrier, must be the same size, into the SIM card tray of the iPhone. Push the tray back into place. 4. Power the iPhone on. 5. Now try to make a call to any working number. If you get an error message, then your iPhone is locked. If you're able to connect and make the call, then your iPhone is definitely unlocked. 4. How to know if your iPhone is unlocked with a free online tool. There are quite a few online tools that allow you to check if your iPhone is unlocked using the IMEI number. First, find your iPhone's IMEI number on your iPhone. To do this, 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Select General. 3. Tap About, and then scroll down until you find the IMEI number. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, you may have a second digital SIM associated IMEI number below. If you see that there, then you will need both of them. You will also need your iPhone's serial number. Now visit this website, https://imeicheck.com/simlock-iPhone, preferably on a computer. This website and service is not associated with iPhone Life in any way. It's just one free option that we have found and tried ourselves. Enter the IMEI number you just found. If you have a digital SIM IMEI number, enter it in the second box. Enter your iPhone serial number. You will need to solve the CAPTCHA to prove that you're not a robot. Then, the website will present you with an information card. Look for lock status. As you can see in this image, it shows that my iPhone is unlocked.
If you enjoyed this video tip and would like to see more, go to iPhonelife.com/insider.